Hi everyone, I am ENİSE. I am the leader of our project team. Today we are going to talk about our signal analyzer project. We are team 31. Here the team members and their roles are shown in below as you can see here. Firstly, the aim of this project is to develop a pocket-sized signal analyzer that controllable via smartphone and analyzes signals in a specific frequency range. Also, the other objectives are shown in the tree below. Now I'm going to talk about our concept generation. Here are the concept table. When we were determining our concept, firstly we searched externally the project subject. Then we did some of internal searching method with team members. So our results are shown in the table.
I am FATİH ÖZDEMİR. I am working as a hardware engineer on this project. At the first stage of the project, I mentioned the objective tree and need issues. Now we are going to talk about the concept evaluation. In concept evaluation, the AHP method was used when our concept was established based on user needs and engineer requirements. When we look at the table, the criteria decided were proportioned according to the order of importance. Also, geometric mean and weight calculations were made. A detailed design of the system is given in the functional decomposition section. Let's start with the level 0 design first. It is the simplest version of the system. This block diagram has been established by deciding the inputs and outputs of the signal analyzer and smartphone blocks. Now that's a level 1 design, this section is detailed more. There are signal processing unit, analog to digital converter, microprocessor, analyzer interface, communication unit, app interface, and power unit blocks in the block diagram. The system can work with 220 volt AC power and can be charged with solar energy. The power unit provides 3 different volt values to the system. The signal from the electrical or RF probes reach the user by passing through various processes. We will make a detailed description of the units in the next slide.
Hello, I am EMRE, a software engineer on the project. In the first part, I explained the planning, the meetings, and needs. Now I will describe level 2 design. Signal processing modules are shown in the signal processing section, digitized via ADC, sent to microcontroller, then to analyzer interface and communication unit. Control commands from the app interface and keyboard module go to the microcontroller and the power unit supply system energy. I'm going to introduce behavioral models to you now. Flowchart. The incoming signal is processed by the microcontroller in 5 stages. The microcontroller stores the data in memory or sends it to the data transfer block. The data transfer block sends the data the voice and screen interface, processes data from the keyboard and establishes a remote connection via the app interface. Here is UML diagram. This UML diagram shows the processing of external signals. The signal is converted from analog to digital processed by microcontrollers and stored in memory. The data is then analyzed and displayed through user interface and remote connection modules. Users can monitor and control the data via the screen.
Hello, my name is İKRANUR CEYLAN. Today I will tell you about the project management part. First of all, we prepare the sum of work breakdown structure. Work breakdown structure breaks the project into smaller manageable pieces and determines what work needs to be done in each component. Here you see schematic of our design. Then we made our project plan and created our Gantt chart. Gantt charts show the tasks of a project, the duration of these tasks, and when the task starts and ends. Here you see our Gantt chart. After that, we made a risk analysis of our project. Risk analysis and management is the process of identifying and evaluating the potential risks that a project may encounter and planning the measures to be taken to manage this risk. This process is critical to ensuring the success of the project. In this table, you see the risks we may encounter in our design and the suggested solutions.
I am BOZDAÐ and I am working as a system engineer in this project. A project plan sheet is a tool that organizes and all phases, tasks, responsibilities, timeline, and resources of a project. This table allows all steps to be identified and tracked from the beginning to the end of the project. While performing the cost analysis, the amount spent for each unit were determined and calculated. Two separate payment methods, the fixed cost part and the variable part. And this is the graphic. System reliability. Before completing our project, we need to understand and apply a few concepts, some of which are in mean time value, mean time between failures, mean time to repair. In terms of a system reliability, there are parallel, serial, and combination connection types, and there is a proof of their reliability for each method. Ethic and legacy. The use signal analyzer should respect privacy and data security laws and avoid negative impacts on human health and the environment. Patent, innovation, and technologies for signal analyzer should be protected under laws.
Now I'm going to talk about our testing plan. In the first test, the device was placed in the test area by activating the power system and attaching the signal receiver probes. Then by applying the following step below, all the expected results were achieved. For the second test, we use matrix test case format. We applied signal at the different frequency values to the device input with the probes, and the accuracy of this signal on the application and device screen was tested. So all the expected results were achieved again. So here at the end of the project, thank you for watching us.